Working flexibly at USW is about working on different campuses. It's about working around your life commitments, from hospital appointments to commitments with your children, starting late, finishing early, a mixture of those things together.
I can nip out to the gym in the middle of the day, which is really, really important to me and my well-being and my health, and able to come back to work in the afternoon, maybe work a little bit longer, work up that time.
Mae gweithio adre hefyd yn rhoi hyblygrwydd o ran gofal plant, ac weithiau mae'n bosib i fi allu fynd i apwyntiadau ac yn lle gorfod dod nôl enghraifft i'r campws i weithio ar ôl apwyntiad ysbyty enghraifft gyda fy mab.
This has really been a positive thing for me since about Christmas when my husband was poorly. So I've been able to start a little bit later, finish a little bit earlier, to take him to hospital appointments and etc.
For example, if my cat needs neutering, this is a real life example, and I have to collect my cat at 3 o'clock, I just tell my managers and then I can leave at 3 o'clock and continue working from my home.
Perhaps I may have ended up going off on leave or sick or unpaid, or just to be able to fit everything in because it was quite a stressful time. So flexibility has been really, really good for me. We
try to do everything we can to ensure that those same opportunities are available for all colleagues. Clearly there are some roles that they're inherently are not able to run that way.
The hospitality assistants, I mean, they need to be on the shop floor for service, for breakfast, lunch, etc. But we try and be as flexible as we can, even with them.
Having the team able to deliver what they need on a daily or a weekly basis and complete projects in the timescale that is needed by the business, but also allowing them to manage their personal and home life.
Yes, I am still in work, I'm still doing the things I'm asked to do in the span of, let's say, 8 hours.
Working flexibly has meant that I'm able to progress through USW. I've been able to manage my home life and my work life with 2 6-year-olds and a very busy and large family.
This role now is the most flexible role I've been in. Others I couldn't obviously work flexibly because I was a chef in units and things, I had to be there peak time, so can't cook from the house.